Okay, so you're learning piano and you just learned to glissando. You know how to do the possibly even the glissando on the black notes. But why not a double glissando? This is called an octave glissando, where you play both of the octaves and then do a glissando. So it sounds something like this. And it can actually be done on the black keys as well. So yeah, that's a cool thing you can do on piano. One thing to take into account when doing the double glissando or the octave glissando is angling your fingers right, because if you just play like that, I'm just going to turn this down, I accidentally bumped the knob up there. If you just play this and then try and push your hand up the keys, well, it's going to be very uncomfortable, and what's going to happen is you're going to get stuck when you're going up on the pinky, and your finger's going to jam under the key and you're not going to be able to go, and the same with the other direction. It's not going to work. A little bit easier with the other direction because the thumb sort of slides, but the way to do it is you slide whichever way you're going. So if I'm going up the keys, then the thumb goes angled like this and the pinky gets bent over something like that, so that when you move up it just slides along the keys. And the same for the down, the thumb bends over like this and the pinky just sort of sits on top and you just sort of drag it across. And there's sort of the same principle for the black keys as well. Start on whichever note you want and then you can just the black keys double glissando or octave glissando hurts a whole lot more than the ones on the white keys, so that's something to keep in mind as well. You're going to get very sore pinky finger and thumb from doing that too many times. But yeah, and that's how you do a double glissando, an octave glissando on the piano. On the white and black keys, just to let you know that hurt my pinky a lot. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.